This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable dark mode on the Messenger app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my phone now. I have the Messenger app opened up. To enable or disable dark mode, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner, down to the little menu button. You want to tap on Menu. Then you want to tap on Settings. And then right in here, Dark Mode. As you can see, I have my dark mode turned off. I'm going to tap on it though. And you can either, it gives you three options. You can turn dark mode on, off. As you can see, I have a check mark next to off on mine. Mine's turned off. Or you could use whatever your system's theme is. I'm going to tap on. Now I have turned on dark mode. I'm going to tap on off. Now dark mode has been disabled. That is how to enable or disable dark mode on the Messenger app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.